Today all of us are here for discussing one of the most important thing that has happened in history of our healthcare. That we wanted to present one of the patient to whom we had to do a spinal cord implantation because she had an unbearable excruciating pain of more than nearly a decade, for which she had undergone surgery sometime during 2006, and subsequently she was on medication, physiotherapy and certain injections and adhesive, but nothing was giving her so much of relief when compared to the trial lead session which we had done about a year back. That motivated us to take off. She had a back pain going into the left leg all the time continuously, because of which she was frustrated, irritated, and her personal life was going into shatters and she was getting demoralized. And that was the time she came to our hospital seeking for help to get rid of this particular pain. Then we thought of planning this particular one. Initially we did a trial lead insertion about a year back, for which after which she had very good relief for quite some time. Then we thought of going for this implant permanent spinal cord stimulation. Basically what happens when the pain impulses go from the lower limb to the back and through spinal cord to the brain, the spinal cord acts like a junction. So there we place this particular lead which bars the impulses of pain impulses going to the pain. Instead it modifies so that brain sends a pleasant sensation to the affected limb, so the patient doesn't feel the pain. The biggest advantage of this particular is we are not destroying anything here, we are not cutting or we are not spoiling. The therapy is lifelong. It's not for only for 6 months or 1 year. Therapy lifelong. Patient will be most of the time off the medications. No more surgery required for this condition. And best part is that stimulation can be kept on and off. If patient wants it today, she can have it. Next 4 days she doesn't want, she can switch it off like cell phone with a program which is implanted within her body. And she can use it as and when she likes it, and when she goes to bed, she can put it off. And after the implantation, patient can go back to normal life, like going to office or probably a housewife or a student, or they can go back to their normal activities. The procedure lasts about 2 hours. It's usually done local anesthesia, and only for implantation sometimes we might use some amount of modified anesthesia kind of thing. And that spinal cord stimulation, what we put the implant and other things, it might last about 2 hours, followed which patient will go back to her room, and about after 1-2 hours she is back ambulation, she can go to toilet on her own, she can have a normal food. We'll have to stay in the hospital about 2 to 7 days depending on their other associated conditions like diabetes or hypertension, heart problem. And apart from that, it's a very novel therapy which has been going on for quite some time, and we thought we'll bring it to your attention when we had done one of the finest and smallest and technological highly advanced implantation which we have done percutaneously, and very few centers in India are doing it, and for South India almost you can count. It has been an excellent experience and patient is doing very well. We are quite happy about it. Thank you so much.